clear, repeatable way to build your first business prompt pack so you can move from a blank page to useful outputs, fast. A prompt pack is a small collection of tested prompts you can use across your tools. Think of it as your team's playbook. It keeps the language steady, saves time on routine work, and helps you control tone and quality across channels. Start by listing where AI can help your business right now. Look at the tasks you repeat: customer support replies, social posts, email drafts, product descriptions, internal docs, and SEO blog outlines. Ask your team where they feel slow or stuck. Those are your first use cases. Before you write anything new, gather the prompts you already have. Check old documents, saved chats, and email threads. Keep the ones that work often. Drop the ones that confuse people or produce errors. Note what the winners have in common: clear goals, simple wording, and the right details. Now build a simple template so every prompt in your pack looks the same. Give each prompt a title that says what it does. Add a short purpose line so anyone on your team knows when to use it. Paste in the exact prompt text the AI should receive. List the variables that change each time, like product details, target audience, tone, or offer. Add a few quick tips that prevent mistakes. Finally, include 1 or 2 sample outputs so people can see what good looks like. With your template ready, create the core prompts for your top use cases. Start small. 10 strong prompts beat 100 half-finished ideas. For each one, keep instructions plain and direct. Tell the AI the role it should take. Tell it the goal. Tell it the format you need and the length you want. Point out the facts it must include. If the result comes out too long, add a line in the tips that says, "If this exceeds the limit, ask to shorten." Test every prompt with real examples from your business. Read the outputs carefully. Do they follow all steps? Do they match your brand voice? Are any parts unclear or missing? Adjust the wording until the results are consistent. Share the draft pack with a few people. Ask them to try the prompts and leave comments. Their notes will show you where to tighten instructions or add a missing variable. Once the prompts work well, document and share the pack in a place your team already uses: Google Docs, Notion, or your internal wiki. Group prompts by category, like support, social, email, ads, SEO, and internal docs. Make sure the variables are easy to spot. Add a short how to use this pack page, pick the prompt, fill the variables, paste into your AI tool, review, and save the final version. Plan a short team walkthrough. Show one prompt from start to finish, fill the variables, run it, trim the result, and save the final draft. Remind everyone to keep examples and proof honest and clear. A quick live demo removes guesswork and boosts adoption. Keep the pack fresh. Set a review every quarter. Ask simple questions: have our needs changed? Is the AI still following the steps? Do we have new use cases to add, like video scripts or multilingual replies? Remove prompts no one uses. Improve the ones that almost work. Add a few new ones based on real requests from the team. If you work in marketing, start with a few high-impact prompts. Use a social caption prompt that takes a product detail and turns it into a short, helpful post. Use an email draft prompt that writes a friendly message for a new launch with one outcome and one next step. Use an ad copy prompt that asks for 3 angles so you can test quickly. Use an SEO outline prompt that builds H2 and H3 sections around your main keyword. Use a review reply prompt that thanks the customer and mentions a specific detail from their note. These basics cover most weekly needs. As you ship, track what works. Save final outputs next to the prompt so new team members can learn fast. When a prompt saves time or improves results, write that down. Small wins add up. Finally, remember the goal: your prompt pack should make daily work easier. It should help your team write faster, keep tone steady, and reduce errors. Start with a few core use cases, build them into clean templates, test with real data, and share the pack where everyone can find it. Keep improving it as your business grows. If this gave you clarity, support the channel by liking this video, sharing it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribing for more rare insights on AI you can actually trust. Click the link in the description, explore the bundles, and upgrade your workflow, without falling for illusions.